Did you know that if you put a glass of water upside down on your head and let it rest for a few minutes, this eliminates a problem we all face? That's right, my dear friends. What I'm going to teach you is a very old trick for your body. Used by the ancient monks. Just put a glass of water on your head. This will help you gain great benefits. This great absorption power helps with migraine pain. It also helps with sleep and eye pain. Start doing this right now and you'll thank me. Are you sure you didn't know about this use for olive oil? Helps eliminate ear pain. To help relieve the pain, we recommend putting 4 drops of olive oil in each ear. Cover with absorbent cotton. This is great when you have that unbearable pain in your ear, so don't waste time and give it a try. Now do this test. Take a potato and cut it in half. Then poke a few holes in it. This will release its liquid. Now simply rub it on your face. Potatoes are wonderful for our skin if you suffer from dark circles and melasma spots. You'll really enjoy using potatoes. Its liquid is very healthy and provides deep hydration to our skin. You can apply it to parts of the body that are dark and stained, such as armpits, knees, groin, and elbows. Practice these powerful exercises on your feet. Study the floor. This eliminates pain in the soles of the feet. It helps combat heat, cracked skin, and the burning sensation when walking. It also eliminates heel pain. In 2 ways, it relaxes the nerve and tendons in the calf and helps reduce inflammation in the bones of the legs, foot, and toes. Climbing to the sky. This technique helps reduce inflammation in swollen shins, sore and weak legs. It strengthens the bones and feet and eliminates tibial periosteitis once and for all. That burning sensation you get when you walk or run a lot. What are you waiting for? Did you know that this powerful exercise helps protect your heart? Then do it. Repeat it 100 times a day so that you can protect your heart. Do it with your middle finger and thumb, just like I do in the video. Give your heart love by doing this exercise every day. Which of these tricks for your body did you like the most? I'll stay here. A big kiss. Stay with God.